How to disable HDR mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily disable the HDR mode on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So the HDR video playback quality is a feature from Instagram that will allow you to enhance your visuals in your video playbacks. To disable it, go ahead and tap on the settings menu first on the hamburger icon. And once you land on your settings, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see data uses and media quality. And once you tap on it, here you have various options to control your data management to use less data. So if you turn on your data saver, you could do your high resolution media on Wi-Fi only, mobile plus Wi-Fi, and never. So I'm just going to keep it on Wi-Fi only. And if you are on an iOS device, you will have an option that says disable HDR video playback. So it will decrease the dynamic range of the video that will offer greater quality in the areas of extreme brightness or darkness. So you could just turn it off right here if you see the option. And that's how you disable the HDR mode on Instagram. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.